Hello friends, welcome to BMH Learning. This video is about EMS mutagenesis. EMS stands for ethyl methane sulfonate. EMS is a mutagenic and carcinogenic organic compound. It's used to produce random mutations in genetic material. And the mutations are basically generated by nucleotide substitution, specifically through GC to AT transitions. And these GC to AT transitions are induced by guanine alkylation. Ethyl methane sulfonate typically generates only point mutations. Due to its potency and well understood mutational spectrum, EMS is the most commonly used chemical mutagen in experimental genetics. Mutations induced by EMS treatment can then be studied in genetic screens or other assays used in molecular biology. Mechanism of mutagenesis. EMS possess an ethyl group which basically reacts with guanine in DNA. This interaction forms the abnormal base O6-methylguanine. During the process of DNA replication, DNA polymerases which catalyze the replication process frequently place thymine in place of cytosine opposite O6-methylguanine. Following subsequent rounds of replication, the original GC base pairs can turn into AT base pairs, which we know is a kind of base transition mutation and more importantly, a point mutation. This point mutation changes the genetic code and thus the genetic information. The changed genetic sequence is often harmful to cells and can result in various diseases. In case of transcription process, the RNA polymerase can also put uracil opposite to O6-methylguanine lesion. Uracil is the RNA analog of thymine. How the EMS lesion can be repaired. O6-methylguanine caused by EMS can be repaired in vivo by reacting O6-methylguanine with the active site cysteine of the O6-methylguanine DNA methyltransferase repair protein. Stability of the compound. The mutagen is extensively used in the research purposes. So we need to have a deep understanding about the stability of the compound prior to the experiment. Generally speaking, EMS is unstable in water and therefore undergoes hydrolysis to ethanol and methane sulfonic acid. However, in acidic pH at room temperature, it shows a fairly long half-life of over 1 day. So because of this, EMS must be degraded before it's disposed. Basically, protocol demands for degradation of EMS in an equal volume of 0.1 molar NaOH and 20% weight by volume sodium thiosulfate inactivating solution for more than 24 hours. This was all. Thanks for watching.